Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to another App Grind TV video with your host Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 each 10 minutes only using your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel. It helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now, guys, this is free to start. You don't need any money. And all you need is a cell phone or a computer with an internet connection, and you're good to go. Okay guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video, and all you have to do is type that code word down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Alright guys, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Alright guys, I'm at this site, and the name of this site is Enroll. So on this site, you're going to get paid to just answer some test questions. So it says here, let's make the web a better place. Be heard, not part of the herd. And you just sign up here. It's free to sign up. So it says here, be the first. See what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the scenes. So guys, what you're going to be doing is going on a website, on these company websites, and you're going to answer their question. It's going to be something like a test too, but it's simple questions, and you're going to get paid to do that, and it doesn't last for maybe 10 minutes. So it says here, take tests anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet? Fear not, you can take users' tests on any device, phone, tablet, laptop, phone, tablets, desktop, wherever you prefer. And you're going to be able to earn rewards, so collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. So you need a PayPal account, guys. If you don't have a PayPal, all you have to do is go to paypal.com, sign up, absolutely free. And here's the other thing you're going to be doing, guys. You're going to help change the web. So be part of the internet's next revolution. Help good ideas happen, make suggestions, and stop bad ones in their tracks. And as you can see here, it's been 651,315 tests taken and counting. So what we're going to do, guys, I want to show you a sample of how this works. So I'm going to click right here where it says check out a sample test. So it's going to take you to this page. So it says welcome to a sample test. In the next couple of screens, you will be asked to execute a couple different tasks. Please complete the task to the best of your ability. And just click right here where it says let's begin. It's going to take you to this screen. So it says here, click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. So what you're going to do is look at their website, and you're going to just pick what you like as far as the inspiration for a trip? What you inspired, where you inspired to go? So we're gonna click right here where it says begin this question. And this is a website. This is just an example, guys. So here's a website right here. So as it says here again, click where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. So what I'm gonna do is click right here. I'm gonna click on London. Then after that, you just click on continue. It's gonna take you to the next question. What does this page make you feel? Click right here again where it says begin this question. It's going to take you to this next page here. And here's the questions. You just answer these questions right here. So you just pick which one. So anticipation, joy, and trust. So that's the three options I picked. And then you just click continue. It's going to take you to this one. Say, why do you feel this way? You can put something in this little box right here if you would like to, but if you don't want to, it's optional. You just click continue. And then after that, guys, you finish. You basically finished. They just want to know your gender, education, age, and income. And then that's it. Click right here and the test is complete. So guys, that's how that works. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple, guys. And you're going to make $20 for every test you take, guys. So this was really less than 10 minutes. Some of them might be a little bit longer, but the average is like 10 minutes. And you're going to get $20 for each one. So guys, that's it. If you want to go ahead and make this money on this website, just answering these simple few little questions and follow the directions. All you got to do is go to enrollapp.com. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because you know why? I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, I want to do one other thing before I go. I want to do a shout out. I'm trying to do this every video, so you new people out there, please drop a creative comment. And also, don't forget to type that code word that you're seeing somewhere in this video down in the comments below. Alright guys, so the comment I'm going to give a shout out to is this one right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Please keep sharing my videos, keep liking them, keep watching them. Help me get to 7,000 subscribers. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for your support. Really appreciate it. Let's go. We're going to the top, guys. We're going to be the best making money online channel on YouTube. So like I said before, let's keep sharing. Hit that like button every time you see my video. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some more of my videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.